How to edit password page on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now right here from the left hand side, we want to click on pages and menu and then choose the page which we would like to edit the password page for. So for example, let's say I want to edit the password for this home page. We want to click on the three dots next to the home page here or the other page and just go to settings. Now you will see these extra settings here pop up, and we want to go to permissions. So right here you will see this option, who can view this page, everyone, password holders, or members only. We want to click on password holders, which will ask us to set up a password right here. So you can type out the password which you want, and then if you minimize this, then as you can see, it automatically creates a password page here for this specific homepage on our Wix website. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.